What is Instagram? Viewers, Instagram is a popular photo sharing app for smartphones. Compared with other social networks, Instagram is relatively simple. It's focused mainly on sharing photos and videos with your friends. Why use Instagram? At this point, you may be thinking, why do I need a separate app for sharing photos? Could not I just post them to Facebook or another social network? One reason for Instagram popularity is its simplicity. Rather than focusing on a lot of different features, Instagram has one core feature which makes it especially easy to share photos and see photos from your friends. Filters are another reason people like using Instagram. Whenever you take a photo in Instagram, you can quickly apply a filter to give the photo a unique look. Filter can help transform an ordinary photo into something worth sharing without much effort. Is Instagram appropriate for everyone? Like most other social networking sites, you must be at least 13 years old to create an account on Instagram. While you may occasionally encounter some inappropriate content on Instagram, it does have strict rules banning nudity and other types of getting started with Instagram. To use Instagram, you will first need to download the Instagram app on your smartphone. It's available for both Android and iPhone, and it's completely free. Simple, visit Google Play or the App Store and download the app to get started. Same like in a picture. Now we talk about the creating an account. After downloading the Instagram app, you will need to create an account. You can use your email address, phone number, or an existing Facebook account to do this. Same like in a picture. You then have the option of following the app to search your Facebook account or your phone's content to see if you have any friend on Instagram. This makes it easier to follow your friends and see their photos. If you had rather not do this, you can always tap skip at the bottom of your screen. Same like in a picture. You will also be prompted to add a profile picture. You can choose one that's currently on your phone, import a picture from another social media app, or just take a new selfie instead. Same like in a picture. Navigating Instagram. Once you have downloaded the app and created an account, you are ready to start using Instagram. The first thing you will see when you open the app is the home screen. From here you can see the latest posts and stories from the people you follow. Create your own post and do more. You can also tap the different icons at the bottom of the screen to move between different parts of the app. Sharing photos on Instagram. Instagram makes it easy to create and share great looking photos with your smartphone. To take a photo, tap the camera button, make sure the photo tab is selected, then tap the shutter button, the circle near the bottom of the screen. Same like in a picture. Applying a filter in Instagram. After you have taken a photo, you can apply a filter to give it more interesting look and feel. A series of filters will appear after you take a photo. Simply tap the filter to apply it. Note that sharing a photo. When you are done, tap next. You can then add a caption, choose to share with other social networks, and do more. When you are ready, tap share to post the photo. Same like in a picture. Tagging other people. If you are posting a photo of someone you follow on Instagram, you can tag that person in the photo. To do this, select tag people, same like in a picture. Then tap the person in the photo and start typing that person username. When you are finished, tap done, same like in a picture. Adding a location in Instagram. If you want, you can also include the location where your photo was taken. Whenever you do this, your photo will be added to your photo map, which you can access from your profile, same like in a picture. Now we talk about the sharing to other social network. If you want, you can also share your post to other social networks like Facebook or Twitter. Just select the desired account from the shared page and sign in with your username and password, same like in a picture. Deleting photo. If you share a photo by mistake, or if you just want to remove a photo you have shared, you can delete it. To do this, tap the more button above a post, then choose delete, same like in a picture. Sharing videos on Instagram. In addition to photos, you can record and share short videos with Instagram. These videos can be anywhere from 3 to 60 seconds long. To record a video, first tap the camera button at the bottom of the screenshot. Make sure video tab is selected, then press and hold the record button, the circle near the bottom of the screen. When you are done, you can apply a filter to the video and share it with your friends. Just like a regular photo, you can also choose to import videos you have taken with the default camera app on your phone by selecting the library tab, same like in a picture. Liking, commenting and sharing. You can interact with any post you find on Instagram. This includes liking a post, leaving a comment and sharing it with your friends. Liking. To like a post, simply double tap the post or tap the heart below it. If you accidentally like a post and want to unlike it, simply perform the same action again, same like in a picture. Now we talk about the commenting. Comments are a great way to let the creator know how you feel about a photo or to interact with your friend's post. To leave a comment, first tap the comment icon on below a post, same like in a picture. Type your comment, then tap post, same like in a picture. Sharing. Now we talk about the sharing. If you come across a post and find it interesting or funny, you can share it with your Instagram friends. First tap the share icon, same like in a picture. Select a friend you had like to share the post with, then tap send. You can also include a message with the post if you want. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learn from this video. If you are a new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and if you want to give a suggestion, you can post on comment section. Please take care, stay blessed, take care and goodbye.